Hello everybody. Al Shirawi Equipment Company was formed in Dubai in 1976 to support the manufacture of trailers for transportation of goods. We have since grown into an end-to-end design and manufacturing, catering to multiple industries, supporting the basic human needs of energy, namely upstream, downstream oil and gas, power, shelter construction, sanitations, that is waste management, cleaning equipment and water treatment projects, and equipment for transportation of food, that is nutrition. As a corporate commitment and supporting the vital sectors, our recent launch of road disinfectant spray truck and multifunction dust suppression truck is a need of the hour equipment that are built in collaboration with world-class partners. At Al Shirawi Equipment, it is our prime commitment to provide and ensure the good health and safety environment for all employees. At this crucial hour of COVID-19, which is spreading across the globe, Al Shirawi Equipment has taken utmost care to safeguard our employees' health and safety at the workplace. We strictly follow the standards, recommendations, and guidelines laid down by UAE Ministry of Health, Department of Health, and Dubai Health Authority. Al Shirawi Equipment has outlined a contingency plan on the health and safety system to manage this COVID-19 crisis. This contingency plan clearly states our preparedness to respond to any declared COVID-19 emergencies and the recommended actions for preventing the spread of COVID-19 across the organization. Al Shirawi Equipment has created an emergency response team under the leadership of our President to ensure a smooth flow of information and emergency escalations to top management, to oversee the implementation of various management directives to curtail the spread of COVID-19 outbreak. As a part of preventive actions, Al Shirawi Equipment employees are provided with a safe environment right from their point of stay to their point of work. The workmen are advised to sanitize their hands while boarding and alighting the bus. Proper social distancing is ensured while traveling on the bus. Thermal health check is being carried out while leaving and entering the camp. Floor marking is done and employees are advised to follow the queue as per the floor mark to ensure social distancing. Proper social distancing is maintained while the thermal health check is being carried out. The thermal body check temperatures are recorded and those employees exceeding the temperature limits will be advised for medical check. On further sickness, the concerned employees will be under medical isolation or kept under self-quarantine or sent for medical treatment based on DHA directives. Staff health and safety measures at Al Shirawi. Most of the support functional staff of Al Shirawi Equipment are advised to work from home, and few direct operational staff are commuting through authorized movement permit letter issued by our HR. Visitors are not permitted to enter our premises at this current crisis period. All staff entering the office and workshops are checked for their body temperatures and advised for proper sanitization. Regular cleaning and sanitization, disinfection steps are carried out at the workplace to avoid the spread of infection. Any person entering the workshop should wear proper PPE like helmets, masks, gloves, etc. Posters of wearing the PPE, preventive measures on avoiding COVID-19 spread are displayed both in the office and workshop area. At Al Shirawi, we follow the mantra of safety first and productivity must principle. The importance of safety PPEs are displayed to create awareness among any person entering our premises. Attendance of employees are recorded through digital face recognition machine, and social distancing is ensured while standing in the queue. Social distancing is ensured while reading the work instructions and performing work on the shop floor. Social distancing is ensured by marking the occupant space on the tables at workman dining areas. Social distancing is ensured in office areas. All operations review meetings and job pending issue meetings are performed through video conferencing irrespective of the concerned area of work. As a corporate social responsibility, each employee of Al Shirawi is committed to follow the company HSE directives and government regulations. Most of the employees have completed their online course on Community Immunity Ambassador and obtained a certificate for creating awareness among all employees. Al Shirawi staff has expressed their gratitude by clapping the hands to all dedicated government officials, medical staff, and people behind this noble deed of securing the well-being of every individual. Thank you for watching our video and wishing you all a very happy, safe and healthy life. Happy Ramadan.